So we are cooking. We're cooking. What's the name, chef?
Dhanbad. Mutton Dhanbad.
Okay. So it's mutton square body. It's usually called goal body, but we're making it square body. So this is the marination of the mutton: yogurt, ginger garlic paste, haldi, red chili powder, the salt. What else? Yes.
They normally
And
marinate
yogurt.
it with papaya paste.
Okay, and now this is the special paste.
Special dry masala that I am making. I have got
Fennel, cumin, cilantro, nutmeg, badi ilaichi, star anise, and javitri.
yeah,
So first we roasted it,
mace also.
and mace. So first we roasted it and then we were grinding it. Since we already had ground mace and nutmeg, we are just adding them at the end. Okay, we'll be back. While you're at it, put 4 tea bags in hot water, and add how many spoons of sugar?
1 spoon of sugar.
1 spoon of sugar.
We need onion paste. So this is the size of the onion I'm using. I'm using 3 onions to make the paste.
So we're gonna paste it in this. This is our special. Putting 5 green chilies in the paste. So now in the oil we've put 3 ilaichi, 1 bay leaf, and 1, what is that called? What is it called?
Which one? Bay leaf, elaichi, green cardamom.
And green cardamom. Thank you.
2 onions peeled, chopped roughly in the blender with 5 green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and half a tablespoon of ginger paste. My sauce. Water, it will splatter a little bit when you are cooking it, so please be careful and do not burn yourself. Added some sugar, you can see it here. So it's like around 1 teaspoon of sugar here, and you can see the popping of the cinnamon stick. So this is the right time for me to add my onion paste. So this sugar will help me get a nice color.
Welcome back. So, as you can see, we have added our mutton, and also we have added salt, chili powder, Kashmiri lal powder, haldi, ginger garlic paste, and sugar.
We also added the masala that we make by broiling the fennel, cumin,
And stuff.
and bada wala cardamom 2 piece. That masala we added around 1 tablespoon of that. So we have added most of the stuff that we want in this. So now we are going to cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes.
And then we'll be back.
We just added the yogurt, so it's 2 tablespoons of yogurt. দই ভালো করে ফেটিয়ে নেবেন, এন্ড দেন যে চায়ের লিকারটা বানিয়েছিলাম ওটা দিয়ে দিলাম। এখন মনে হচ্ছে অনেক ঝোল ঝোল, কিন্তু মাটনটা হ্যাজ টু কুক। হ্যাঁ, কম দিয়ে পাকালে চারিদিকে তেল ফেল ছিটবে। সো টু অ্যাভয়েড অল দ্যাট, একটু বেশি গ্রেভি টাইপের করে cover it, let the mutton cook, and then we will get the consistency that we need. when when the mutton is done. Thank you. So this is our special for dinner tonight. Mutton square bungalow with luchi or puri. Thank you. Enjoy.